Music is the art of arranging sounds in a way that creates beauty and emotion. This is a definition that can be given for music. It is also a fair definition for Western music, which is a delicate art built upon a great theoretical foundation. Music helps with pleasure and relaxation. Like dance, music is also a performing art. It is an art form different from painting and poetry. Music plays an important role in supporting other art forms. For example, opera is bound to music. Drama requires an orchestra and music. For other performances such as ballet, music helps dancers create and express the environment and rhythm with their movements. Likewise, music helps bring emotional depth to cinema and television programs and intensify the performance. Many artists incorporate music into various forms of creative work. Music is one of the oldest arts. As language developed, humans likely began to sing. Tools used for hunting, when struck together, may have become the first musical instruments. Evidence shows that around 10,000 BC, people created flutes from animal bones with hollow cavities. Among ancient people, Egyptians, Chinese, Babylonians, and Indians, music was used in royal courts and religious places. The first written music dates back to around 2500 BC. Today, various types of music can be seen around the world. Although the music of Europe and America is known as Western music, there are two main branches of Western music. 1. Classical music. 2. Popular music. Classical music includes symphonies, operas, and ballets, while folk music, country songs, jazz, and rock music are included under popular music. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe, like and share video.